काली महाराज की जय. In English or no? Yeah, now I had to tell in English. Dhanurmasam is starting on 16th of this month. So I am going to tell you what happened for me along with when I was with Swamiji in Bangalore, because I am more of interest in Lord Shiva rather than other gods. So from my childhood and after joining the ashram also, I was doing this in Dhanurmasa, the Nataraja Puja only I was following, the 10 days Nataraja Puja, which finishes along on the day of Ardra Nakshatram on the full moon day. So with big full Abhishek, we finish it off. 10 days, early morning, puja, pasaras on Shiva, we sing and do lot of decoration and do every day morning, early morning puja at 5 o'clock and finishes off with Ardra Nakshatra on falling on full moon day on Dhanurmas. So this is what I was following, which maybe Swamiji, I knew that Swamiji knows everything. We need not tell him anything. But suddenly Swamiji once, he asked, what are you doing for Dhanurmasa? Suddenly he asked me. Then I said, I am doing Nataraja Puja, Swamiji. And what prasadam you are doing? I said, that Chakra Pongal I am preparing. Then he said, good, but you have to do for Lord Shiva also. Not sorry, sir, Lord Vishnu also. No, it's not correct to do only for one God. So you have to do other gods also. But then I have to find time for that, because only one God means at 4 o'clock if I go, it's okay. But for all the gods means I have to get up at 2:30 I used to go when I was in Bangalore, so that I can do the Abhishekam and then make the gods ready with decoration and all, with flower decoration, lot of decoration. And we start the pasaras singing at 5:30, like, because with all the decoration everything is. Then we do puja, the special Alankara puja. Then we start pasara. So I start with Shiva. First I sing for Shiva, then Nataraja, then finish off pasara. Then I go to Mahavishnu and sing the pasaras to Mahavishnu also. So it takes up to 7:15 like that, though we start at 5. So then that's what Swamiji's order. Then after coming to Adivarapeta also, same order I started following, like Nataraja Puja along with Lord Mahavishnu also gets puja here, the same way as Swamiji told me in Bangalore. Here also, since we don't have this statue of Mahavishnu, big Ranganatha Swami statue, so I used to tie that big curtain painted by somebody, Ranganatha painting, and it really gives good vibration. So we started the puja like that. That without me telling that I am doing Dharmasa puja. I used to do in the room itself, telling all the pasaras and small Nataraja what I have got. I prepare some paramanam and I used to keep and do puja. Suddenly Swamiji asked me, what are you doing for Dhanurmasa puja? Then he said, bring the prasad, after finishing the puja, you bring the prasadam to my room. I will distribute to everybody. So I started doing more prasad, and after my puja, I should take to Swamiji's room. At that time, Swamiji's oil polishing used to be on the way, because all 3-4 people get together and they used to do the polish. Then when I take the prasadam inside, he used to call the ashram small boys and girls, those people, about 6 of them I think. He used to call them inside the room and to distribute. One day he called the children at 7 o'clock. Then the children came without washing their faces and without taking bath, and you could easily find out that they are with sleepy eyes. Then Swami immediately said, have you taken the bath or what? And, no, Swamiji, no, so all 6 Swami got up from the seat, took a, he asked the conductor to bring the can, Bittam, to make them remember hereafter, as soon as you get up, you have to take your bath and wash your clothes by yourself. Then you have to come out for tea and prasad. And he started threatening with the can. From that time onwards, even not only the children, even the mothers of them who don't take bath until lunch, they also started taking bath before coming to do the cooking. So Swami did that for on the Dharmasa day. So since the Dharmasam is going to start now, I remembered that incident. So after here also now we are following the same. Early morning, 4:30, 4 o'clock, 4:30 we start Abhishek and all, and then do the Alangar, then start the puja at 5:30. So still the same routine is going on as Swamiji told me. The puja will take until 7 o'clock, 7:15. So we get good experiences during that puja time. That full month used to be so good vibration, and even dhyan, it helps a lot. Those pujas help a lot to the dhyanam also. After that we go to dhyanam, no, then good experience we get. And the same, the Dharmasa puja, after last time, then I had the darshan of Mahavishnu flying in the Garuda Vahana, was coming in the meditation every day. 30 days I had the same morning section, evening section meditation also I am having. Then suddenly one day when we do the Surya Puja, suddenly same place where he used to show me his experience in the meditation, the same place in the between in the garden, the sky on up in the garden. The same way the bee Garuda Vahana Mahavishnu was sitting, it came in the sky. Then Krishna took the photo and put it in the WhatsApp about 3 months back. I was surprised. 30 days he gave the same darshan in the meditation. Yeah. And it came out in the sky in the same way, in the same spot where he was giving in my meditation, the same spot he was giving on the sky. Yeah. Okay, that's all today.